Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this one we talk about how you can see insights of your social media channels on your iPhone. Now it all comes down to the exact social media you are referring to. When it comes to Instagram, for example, usually when you go to your profile you can see some analytics, whether it's specifically about a certain post, like you can go and click on the three dots and click on insights and see what's going on, right? Like get some, insights of social media. But you also can see like a dashboard of your entire profile. So it really depends on the specific app. However, you should know that most of the apps which provide like detailed analytics are in the business mode, right? So you have some multiple different accounts types. Usually you have a personal account, you can be a creator, but you can also have like a business. So in case you want more analytics and more insights, try to switch to a business account if you can. So you would go to the settings and just try to go to the account and switch to the different type, right? So that's how it works. And yeah, the same thing goes for TikTok, where you can also just manage in here in the TikTok studio and see some of the new like analytics and whatever, some insights, and that's very useful too. When it comes to YouTube, you don't really get to view it in the YouTube app, but you instead need to get the YouTube Studio app, which is like a dedicated analytics place, and it's a very detailed and good one. So yeah, that's how you can do it. And besides that, for people that you don't have like access to, or for some other accounts, you might use some websites like Social Blade, for example, where you can type in the usernames of some other accounts and get their reports to a degree. Obviously, you're not going to get full access, but at least some information is going to be available to you. So hope you liked this video, hope you found it useful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the next video.